Hello, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, whatever time you're watching this educational video. Today, we will be discussing about magnetic field and charge. Okay, let's try to know how magnetic field behaves in the presence of a charge. Okay, so just like electric field, but this time magnetic field behaves differently from electric field. Let's proceed. Magnetic field interaction with a charge. Let's remember these north stars. When B field, by the way, uh, B field or the symbol beta represents the magnetic field. Okay, so if magnetic field is not used in the problem, probably B field or the symbol B is used. So what will happen if B field interact with a charge, either negative electron or positive charge? First, magnetic field is due to a moving charge. So this will gonna be a good um, North Star. When a charge is moving, that's the time that magnetic field is uh, being generated. Okay, when there will be moving of charges. It occurs only if charge are moving. It's very clear. Pag mulihok ang ato ang electrons or protons, na diha ato ang B field or magnetic field. Acts only when charges are in motion. Gibalik-balik na gyud. Okay? And then the force, this force is called the Lorentz force or the magnetic force. Siya yung pangalan, no? If mag-isco tag magnetic field and a charge. So the force there is not the electrical force, but this time it's the magnetic force, or specifically called the Lorentz force. So we will try to know more about Lorentz. It depends on the motion of the charge, or when charge is moving, especially electrons, there will be current, okay? And the magnetic field. They must be perpendicular or forming 90 degrees. Um, yeah. Then the magnetic field will eventually stop when charge is moving. I will go back to the force. The force depends on the moving charge, and then and the magnetic field. And we will be using the right hand rule in knowing the direction of this Lorentz force, depending on uh, the motion or the direction of the magnetic field, as well as the motion or direction of the current moving. So we can figure out the force direction when we will be doing the right hand rule. For example, this is the illustration. These are our B fields. Just like your electric field, try to um, visualize it like your electric field, but this time it's the B field. Okay. And then this is our charge, a proton, and moving to this direction. That's the velocity in meter per second. That's the um, speed with direction um, of the positive proton moving to the right. And if you notice, they will have 90 degrees. They will form a 90 degrees, or they are perpendicular, actually, perpendicular to the B field. So when this will, uh, when there will be perpendicular, um, let's say, interaction of the directions between magnetic field and velocity. So yeah, we can have the maximum Lorentz force that push this charge or this proton all the way to its direction. And we will be knowing what will happen when it's in perpendicular. When velocity is perpendicular or 90 degrees siya sa magnetic field, like this one. This is the velocity, of our charge, and we have the direction of the B field going that direction. So we can form 90 degrees here. Very clear. All right. Magnetic field interaction is being expressed in mathematics through this equation. We just try to be familiar, we should be uh, familiar with the variables in this lesson. So we have F here, it's the Lorentz force. That's what I'm talking earlier. It's the total force acting on the charged particle due to electric and B field. Okay, so that's the Lorentz force. That's the force that push the charge in what direction. And it is also the force that will make the charge move in circular manner. So when the charge is moving in circular manner, if you could still recall, there is a center-seeking force there. The Lorentz force acts as the centripetal force. That's why it maintains the circular motion of the charge. Okay, and then Q there, we knew it already. It's the charge in Coulomb, protons or electrons. And then we have the velocity, that's the motion or the speed plus direction of the charge in meter per second. We have the B field here, that's the magnetic field. If the charge is moving, okay, there is only the magnetic field when the charge is moving. It will be gone when there will be no motion of charge. And the unit will be Tesla or T, caps lock T. Again, just to give you a hint, the force, the Lorentz force, that's the force pushing the charge, positive or negative, all the way to all the way. It could be like in perpendicular to the magnetic field. Okay, and most of the time, this Lorentz force does not do work because they will form 90 degrees. And if you could still recall the formula of work, that's force times displacement cosine theta. And cosine 90 will give us 0. So definitely work is 0 in this case. Okay, we will be discussing more of that later on. And we have the sine theta, the angle between velocity of the charge, what direction, and the B field. They must be perpendicular. Again and again and again, they must be perpendicular. Okay. Like for example, I showed it earlier. This is the motion or the speed plus direction, the velocity of the charge going to the right, while our B field is going upward. So they will be forming 90 degrees there. So that's perpendicular. Okay. And sine 90, since it's perpendicular, sine 90 will give us a value of 1. So that's going to be the maximum Lorentz force to be calculated since sine theta is 1. Everything multiplied by 1 will result to that magnitude. Okay. And the direction of the Lorentz force can be determined by using the right-hand rule. This rule is most used in physics classes or the instructors in physics. So we have this right-hand rule here. Yeah, we can have the force direction uh, seemed like perpendicular to the palm. Okay, and the direction of the E field is the direction of the direction of the E fields is kanang unsay porma pod or asa pod nabutang ang ato ang mga tudlo no from the pointer to pinky aning upat ka buok diri because our thumb will be velocity. In our topic as well, this represents the direction of the current. Okay, so this is the velocity of the charge repres represented by the thumb position. This will be the E field here. The position of our forefingers, and then the palm perpendicular to that. We can imagine an arrow coming out from the palm. That's the force direction. Okay. In this case, let's say for example, usually and most of the time, this convention is the direction of the force when there will be positive charge. If the positive charge is present, it moves in a certain direction along the B field. The palm, the palm represents represents the direction of the force. It comes out from the palm, and that's going to be the direction of the force if positive charge is provided. But if we introduce a negative charge, the back of the palm will be the direction of the force. Opposite lang sila. Okay? Now, B field's direction could be up, down, right, left, away from you because the magnetic field or the B field is perceived in 3D. So, dili lang 2D nga up, down, right, left. Pwede pod nga ang atuang B field is pointing towards us. Padulong sa atoa ang B field or away from us, padulong po dito ang B field. If atong i-reference ang screen, if ang B field padulong sa imuha, ang tanang arrow sa B field is pointing towards you. If ever na away from you, so the arrows is pointing towards the screen. Okay, anang nahitabo. Okay. And in physics, the X represent that the field is going into the page or padulong dira sa screen. Padulong ba? Palayo sa imuha. And kaning naay circle nga naay zero dira sa sulod, B field is going outside the page. So padulong sa imuha ang B field. Okay, dili ra mo itong right ang B field, left ang B field, up, down. Pero sa akong pag-represent sa B field if padulong sa imuha ang B field. So it's going outside the page or the screen. Pareha ng padulong sa atua. So atong i-represent ani nga symbol or illustration. Pag X atong makita, meaning B field is going away from us, away from me, or into the page or into the screen. Tayo natog tanaw. Kani, klaro man ni, B field is going up while velocity of the charge is going to the right. So they form a right angle here, 90 degrees, perpendicular. Okay. And V is perpendicular to B field. So the Lorentz force pushes the charge. All right. And then we also have this one. The B field is going to the right. And this time our proton is going to this direction. They are still forming 90 degrees. Ikumpara lang ang directions ni B field o ni velocity sa charge. Pag mo forma nag 90 degrees, mo na ang maximum Lorentz force nga makalculate nato. Okay? And V is perpendicular to B field, balik-balik lang, Lorentz force pushes the charge. Hindi asa nga direction. Okay? And kani, since 3D ang ato ang magnetic field, no? Ilang ka siya up, down, right, left. You notice that naa siya circle and then naay zero sa sulod. Just like this, so ang boot pasabot ana, B field is going outside the page. Asa padulong? Padulong sa imuha kung nagtan-aw ka ani nga picture. The B field is going towards you, pointing towards you. And our velocity of the charge, ani na ko pag-represent, meaning wala siya ni adto, wala siya ni dagan pa right, pa left, or upward. Sabay siya sa direction sa B field. So it's gonna be like parallel to the B field. So kung parallel ganing na tuang let's say nga niyang nahitabo parallel ang atuang B field kani ang B field, and then this is our velocity of the charge. Our angle will be 0. So sine 0, okay? Sine 0 is 0. So ang mahitabo ani si tawag ani si V is parallel or anti-parallel po. When say anti-parallel, makapurma og katong 180 degrees, no? If this is the B field niya, ang direction sa tuang charge velocity is opposite, so it will form 180 degrees. And sine 180 degrees is equivalent to 0. So the Lorentz force will also be 0. Okay? Yan ang mahitabo. Pero it doesn't mean nga pag 0 nga to ang Lorentz force, hadi na mulihok ang charge, it will move. Ang motion niya is constant. Niya, straight line. Pero pag uh, the the vectors of the B field and the velocity of the charge is perpendicular 90 degrees, there is a value na value atong Lorentz force, and yan ang mutuyok dayon ng charge dira in a circular manner, and the Lorentz force will act as the centripetal force. Ani kita nang gyapon tag 0, no, nga nasulod sa circle, so therefore the B field is going outside the page, padulong sa to ang B field, and the velocity is going down. So unsay nahitabo dira, B field is perpendicular to B. Lorentz force pushes the charge. Anong na perpendicular na? Imagine ninyo nga tong ano na, let's say aning subo na to ang so na ko pag-explain, no? Padulong man sa imuha tanan ang charges, padulong sa imuha, and then let's say mao ni nya ikaw ni, this is you, okay? Ikaw na padulong sa imuhang B field tanan, and then naa ang velocity sa charge padulong diri sa baba. So therefore, makapurma ta na og 90 degrees. So perpendicular ang ato ang B field ug velocity sa charge in terms of their vectors. Therefore, Lorentz force is at its maximum, no? Since sine 90 is 1. So kung natay mga value ato ang charge at ato ang B field, so mo to siyang maximum value sa Lorentz force. It will push the charge. Again, if ever the force is 0, it doesn't mean that the charge is not moving at all. Or move gyapon ang ato ang charge, but this time pag 0 ang force, mag-move siya in a straight line. Pero pag dili 0 ato ang force ani, when the Lorentz force is like its maximum, it will bend the motion of that charge o mahon niya circle ang motion. So mahimo na siyang siya na ang centripetal force ana. Makarelate ani pag mag-discuss tag cyclotron, no, katong device nga magpapaspas o move sa ato ang electrons or protons. Papaspaso niya ganya kusog na energy or taas ng energy using the cyclotron device. Makita na to nga mutuyok yun ang charge. Then, pag magkakusog pag yun na ang iyahang velocity, mas dako pag yun na ang radius sa iyang pagtuyok ng ngana. Anyway, kasi makadiscuss pa tayo na in our next video. Now, we have X illustration here of our B field. If we have X illustration, meaning the field is pointing away from us. So, dito na po padulong, no? Palayo sa ato padulong aning screen ang motion sa or direction sa ato ang B field. And look at it, na ang velocity is going to this direction. Alright, siya. So, unsay mahitabo dira, klaro man nga perpendicular gihapon, no? Ang V velocity sa charge ug ang B field. So, push gihapon si ang force sa charge. Like for example, kani una po ni si ikaw. And then, palayo sa imo ang electric field. Morning electric field. Sorry, not electric field. B field di ay. B field. Tapos, ang atuang velocity kay. So, ano pag-drawing? Diri padulong. Right. Panitan right. Banir left. So, kani makapurma ni og 90 degrees diri. So it's perpendicular. Or I'm not sure kung dito ni padulong ang ina-upward it's like horizontal tapos mapuruma ang 90 degrees po dali. Okay. And this time, this is very clear nga ato ang velocity sa charge kay opposite to the B field, so they are anti-parallel, no? And V is anti-parallel to B field, so the Lorentz force never influenced the charge. But the charge still moves in constant speed, straight line. Ana iya. If ever nga ato ang B field o velocity sa charge is parallel or anti-parallel. Pero pag perpendicular gay ng duha, velocity sa charge of B field, na-value atong Lorentz force ana na mutuklod sa ato ang charge. At this time, the charge is not anymore moving in a straight line, uh, same speed, but i-maintain tong circular motion niya. I-bend niya ang straight man unta, pero move siya. Puro maang circle na to, na motion. So, if there will be a moving entity in a circular manner, so we have a force that is seeking towards the center. Muna si Lorentz force diha. And it acts like a centripetal force. Same ang speed gyapon ana pagtuyo kung sa nalahi, it's the direction of the velocity. If you could still relate it to our first semester topic. Okay, a proton, concept lang sa ta. A proton enters a uniform magnetic field with velocity parallel to the field lines. Describe the force and motion. So it's parallel, meaning it's not 90 degrees. The directions of the B field in the and the velocity of the charge is like parallel, pareha, padulungan, no? Unsay mahitabo ana? Remember that the force depends on the motion of the charge. When charge is moving, so may gid na current mahitabo pag mag uh, move ang atoang charge. And then and the magnetic field should be perpendicular. Ang atoang motion sa charge, velocity ato no, velocity should be perpendicular to our B field or our magnetic field. O mo gyud natong manaan ganina. Okay, so the Lorentz force, that's our equation. Charge velocity times magnetic field and sine theta. Since perpendicular, yeah, this time di man perpendicular kay parallel man according to the statement. How will we describe the force or the Lorentz force? So sine 0 is 0. So automatic nga 0 gyud tanan ni atong ipang multiply diri. Okay, kay 0 man ang ato ang sign ani. So the Lorentz force or the force, magnetic force is 0. Di siya maka-impluwensya sa paglakaw, pagdagan, or paglihok sa ato ang charge. Ang charge is di kay na siya paspas mo lihok mo ganing kailangan tag cyclotron para papaspason na siya taman. Gainon siya og taas nga energy para grabe yung pag-shoot ba or kanang pag dagan yan. Okay? And yeah, Lorentz force is 0 kay parallel man. Kung parallel, ang ato ang charge, ato ang angle ani ma-form is 0. So sine 0 will be 0. So now, after gingon ako, it doesn't mean that the charge will stop moving. It will move in a straight line at constant speed. That's the effect if ever that Lorentz force is 0 or they are parallel or anti-parallel. The charges continue to move but in a straight line, same speed or same velocity. Now, what if we have a negative charge? An electron moves perpendicular to the magnetic field. What happens to its speed and kinetic energy? So natay ano diri? Electron negative, perpendicular iyahang motion sa atoang um, B field. So pwede diri they will form 90 degrees. Perpendicular is 90 degrees. And then nara po 90 degrees po ang ano na if ever dira sa baba or pataas yan. pwede pud na atubang sa atoa ang velocity 90 degrees ang gyapon na kung palayo ang velocity 90 degrees gyapon na ang iyahang porma. So in this case force does not do work. Sorry. Force does not do work. Nanay do diha. Meaning walay work nga nahitabo diri. Is remember the formula of work is force times displacement and then cosine theta. And in this case, velocity is perpendicular to the force. So pasabot ani, ang atuang velocity, ang pagdagan sa atuang charge is always siya perpendicular sa force, no? So mahitabuan na cosine 90, if you will input that one sa imong calculator, it will give you 0. So walay work na hitabo sa ani nga case. Okay? Dahil ito ganina ha, ikumpara na to is si velocity and si B field. Karon makaingon ta nga walay force nga nahitabo or walay force, walay work nga nahitabo. It's because we are dealing with the velocity, direction sa ato ang charge ug ang force mismo. Di man sila pareha gud kay si force padulong diri, si velocity padulong dito, forming 90 degrees. So therefore, walay work na mahitabo. Okay. 90 degrees diha in between velocity and the force. Okay? Kaya mag-isgot man tag nabay work done or wala. So si force ug si velocity di pareha no. Ug padulungan 90 degrees, zero na siya. Cosine 90 is zero. So what is the effect? Kaninang mahitabo ron ang effect ani speed is constant. Only its direction ang mausab. Its direction changes. Wala na butang ang word na changes diha. Wala gini ba? Muguta tong pen class. Maunang di na to masulat ug dali ang word. Ang speed is constant pero ang direction naga-change. Okay? And of course, since ang speed constant, ang speed ang paglihok, so the kinetic energy is also be constant. Okay, o man ni paspas, o man ni hinay, constant ra man gyud ang speed. So ang ato pong kinetic energy ana, ang energy in motion is also constant. And what will be the effect? So again, the Lorentz force will act now as a centripetal force, a center-seeking force. Iyahang i-maintain ang instead nga straight line to no, perpendicular man ni ang mahitabo yang i-bend ang direction sa velocity, direction sa charges, and instead of going in a straight line, it will maintain a circular path. And a circular path is influenced by a centripetal force. Kinsa ang centripetal force karon, it's the Lorentz force. So mahitabo aning direction, tuyok na siya around our B field. I-maintain na siya sa atong Lorentz force nga siya na ang nag-maintain sa pagtuyok in a circular manner. Siya ang nahimong centripetal force kanang padulong sa center ng mga arrows. Okay? Yan ang mahitabo, tuyok na siya. Instead of in a straight line, di man parallel, perpendicular man ang atuang velocity o B field. So pag perpendicular, dili siya straight line lang yung motion, it will be in circular. Pag parallel or anti-parallel mo, straight line lang ang motion. Okay? And then, balik ta sa itong mga illustration ganina. This is perpendicular, 90 degrees perpendicular. So therefore, the charge will move in circular motion. There will be a centripetal force there that is influencing or maintaining the circular motion of the charge or velocity of the charge, and the Lorentz force will act as a centripetal force. And since same lang ang atuang speed diha, so as our kinetic energy, same, and then direction changes. Nag-change ang direction ani. Remember nga, if this will be our loop or the motion in circular, if our charge is in this position, diri padulong tangent na iyahang velocity no. And then pag nanapod siya diri sa baba, ana na pod. So naga-change ang direction sa atong velocity diri na pod siya sa pikas. To the left na pod siya, pag nasa diri upward na sad siya. The the velocity changes, the direction changes. Sorry, the direction of the moving charge changes. The speed is the same. So same na po ang kinetic energy. Diri, still perpendicular ang velocity nato sa ato ang B field. So mo gihapon atong interpretation mo tuyok ang charges ana, maintaining its circular path, Lorentz force ang centripetal force, and then direction niya naga-change. In this case kani it's parallel, wala naka-perpendicular, so zero ang ato ang ano ani. If it's parallel, zero ang ato ang big angle ani, or anti-parallel, it's 180 degrees. So if you will input that one sa calculator ninyo, sine 180, zero ang answer ana, or sine zero is zero gihapon. So mahitabo ani zero ang ato ang Lorentz force. So if zero ang Lorentz force nato, ang ato ang charge mo move lang siya with constant speed in a straight line. I hope you got the main point of this topic. Okay? And again, kani it's perpendicular ito ingon nako zero man no, circle nga nay zero, so padulong sa atoa ang B field. Kung padulong sa atoa ang B field nya nay pababa nga motion sa atoang tawag ani sa atoang velocity sa charge. Of course, makapurma og 90 degrees na. So it's perpendicular. The charge will move in a circular manner. Lorentz force becomes the centripetal force. It moves same speed, different direction. Okay. Why can a B field bend a charged particle's path but not speed it up? Anong kaya niya i-bend ang katong straight line man tayang motion no sa particle, pero pag parallel pwede na ipadayon na niya straight line lang, but it's if ang velocity nato sa charge is perpendicular sa B field, kaya mahitabo i-bend niya ang charge path, making it rotating in a circular manner, or di niya ipa-speed up, same ang yang speed. Force is perpendicular to the velocity, and then walay work din nahitabo no. Ang force ug ang velocity perpendicular, forming 90 degrees. Therefore cosine 90 formula sa work nato, F force times displacement cosine theta. Mo na to ang formula. Sulat class. Cosine theta. So 90 cosine 90 is 0. So 0, no work is done. But it only change its direction. Mag-change ang direction kay lagi nagtuyok naman no. So direction is changing. Ipakita na ko ganina. And then the speed is constant. Di niya ginapausab ang speed, constant ang speed. So kinetic energy is same. Tuyok siya. So asa ang direction ani no? Sa force, kaning red is the direction of the force. Negative money. So ang pagbuhat niyo sa ano ba sa gani sa right hand rule, ang imuhang kana makita nimo ng electric field, imuhang ibutang imong palm diha, no? Dapat dili baliktad ang palm nimo narito sa drawing, imong ihapa sa drawing ba. And after that, ang imuhang thumb unsa ito? Thumb is the direction of the velocity of the charge. So pataas man na ang velocity sa charge. So sa taas lang po dapat i-follow lang nimo. Wala ko illustration, so ani guro kung ako ni siyang i-drawing kamot ni thumb upat ka kamot na diha. Dapat ang palm din mo na dito sa likod. Apa ani atong drawing. Kani atong thumb sabon akong drawing dapat ani siya. Okay. Direction man sa to ang tawag ani sa to ang velocity sa charge kay diha mas taas. So dapat atong palm kay napod sa taas. Kani kay direction ni sa to ang B field kani atong mga tudlo diri. So again, back of the palm, no, that's represents the direction of the force when there will be a negative charge. So negative man kang nadiri. Kung positive charge po na siya, ang nadira, ang dito nga direction sa palm towards the drawing, mo po na ang direction sa force pag naa sa positive. Basta ang tuwa ganing palm, ang vector ana nga mogawas is the direction of the force pag positive. Ang likod ana negative. Okay, please remember. Charge is influenced by the centripetal force, mo na epekto. So, keeping it moved in a circular manner. Inside force dira nga nag-act as the center-seeking force, it's the Lorentz force this time. Basta perpendicular. How does the direction of the Lorentz force if the charge is negative instead of positive? So, naingon ako ganina, no? I-reverse lang niya. Basta always remember the palm shows where the direction of the Lorentz force is positive if there is a positive charge. So the palm, kanang imaginary line or vector nato nga nigawa sa palm, that's the direction of the force if ever natay positive. I-reverse lang niya. So the back of the palm is the direction of the Lorentz force if an electron or negative is introduced. Balik, i-remember lang, pag kaning palm na to, na force dira mo gawas, meaning positive ang charge nga gibutang sa B field. If ever nga pag-perform na to sa right hand rule, nga, ang hitabo kay nagatubang sa atoa ang tawagan ni ang atoang palm, padulong sa atoa ang direction sa vector sa force. So, positive na kay ang palm nagatubang sa tuwa pero pag magtalikod na gina sa tuwang palm pag perform na to sa sa right hand rule meaning negative ang charge ana, no, pag nasa likod sa palm negative, pag nasa tubangan